Latricia Thomas is an Australian fashion model, makeup artist, YouTuber, and social media influencer. She is best known for sharing her fashion, modeling, photos, and videos on social media platforms, especially on Instagram and YouTube. She is also famous for being represented by the Mood Board talent agency. Latricia was born and raised in Melbourne, Australia along with her family and relatives. She went to a local school for graduation and moved to the University of Western Australia for bachelor's. However, she didn't complete her bachelor's. Being fond of modeling, she began her modeling career on Instagram by uploading her curvaceous photos and videos. Latricia Thomas's age is 30 years. She is 5'9" tall and her weight is approximately 71 kilograms. Earlier, Latricia was in a relationship with popular singer and rapper Lil Wayne. The couple separated in a short period citing personal issues. There is no information about Latricia's present relationship and affairs. Latricia Thomas's net worth as of now, in 2021 is estimated to be more than $1 million.